Hi, today I'm going to share how to we enable Shopify data layer. So first, how to connect Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store, and how to enable the Shopify data layer, and how to create like Google Tag Manager account, Google Analytics account, and finally how to we tracking our set up our Google Analytics for in our Shopify website like Google Ads conversion tracking and Facebook pixel. So I'm gonna enable the data layer according to Shopify new update. So you see in here, so Shopify deprecated the Shopify checkout page and the order status page additional script not right now not available. I mean August 30 2024 after this is not available to we uh, we have to add in here any code. So we have to enable the data layer using the customer event. So customer if I go to customer event under, and you see in here the Shopify add custom pixel option, and also here Shopify offers some app which is like Eliver. So if we enable this data layer, if we enable the data layer according to like using Eliver plugin or others like data layer enabled plugin, so we have to pay in here monthly. We have to pay in here monthly up to $115 to $715. So in this video I'm going to show how to enable this data layer completely free, and how to we use this data layer in our for GFO setup and also Facebook pixel setup and like all the necessary all tools setup. So it's very simple. So now I am sure how to we create Google Tag Manager account, and how do we connect Google Tag Manager first with our website. So it's very simple. Just go to tagmanager.google.com and click in here create account, and write in here your account name. So in this case my account name is fresh food. So I will paste in here this account name, and then choose in here your country, and just write in here your container name. So in this case my container I choose in here web, and I am also show how to we set up a server side tracking. And yeah, you see in here how to we set up server side tracking, and what benefit of server side, and what benefits of server side tracking, and what is the difference browser side tracking and server side tracking. So first actually I'm gonna first show the data layer enable and fix August 30 update, and enable the data layer, and then I'm gonna according to the new update, and how to we connect Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store, and the next how to we set up Google Analytics 4, I mean browser side tracking first. Then I'm gonna share how to we set up the server side tracking using like step.io and others like server hosting tools. So I go to my Google Tag Manager again, and then choose in here web, and write in here like web, and then create account, and then accept the terms and condition. I also accept, and then yes, click in here. So our container create, create our container yes, and then create. So I have to refresh this page. However, just a second. It's easy and simple, but we have to see this full video, otherwise you'll be not understand everything easily. But this is not more hard. So I just write in here web, and choose in here web and create, and then the next just accept terms and condition and yes. And now my container is, yeah, so now my account Google Tag Manager account is create properly. So now I just click in here the code GTM code, and copy this code, and go to my Shopify store, and then click in here online store, three dot, and then edit code. And then this is very simple. Just a second. I have to go in here, the theme.liquid file, and I remove my old code and paste in here my Google Tag Manager code. I mean, we have to paste this code in our website head section. If you follow the Google Tag Manager instruction and you see in here, so yeah, just click in here and then paste in here this code. So if we have to, we also paste this body code in our website. So just go to Tag Manager and scroll down my body. Yep. So just search in here body, and the head section is end in here, and the body is, so I just paste in here the body code and then save it. So now our Google Tag Manager with our the Shopify store is connected, so we have to check it. Just um, close in here and click in here preview, and this is loading. Just a second. So if I have to copy this my website URL, and I check this another way. Just I like click in here Google Tag Assistant Legacy and enable this and just reload this page, and I see in here my Google Tag Manager found in my website, and yeah, that's it. So now our Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store is properly connected, but our data layer is not enabled. So we have to enable the data layer, right? So if I click in here, you see in here, yeah, the Shopify store with Google Tag Manager is connected properly. And if I click in here any product, and we see this product data layer is not in here. I mean, data layer is not show, right? So we have to enable this data layer according to Google Analytics for requirement and rules. So it's simple. How do we enable this data layer? It's simple. Just go to my docs, and go to my docs. Just a second. Yeah. So just a second. 629. Not this. Yes. Yeah. So just go to my docs and click in here. Step. Follow this step. Just copy this code. First, copy this code, and then go to your Shopify store. So just click in here the snippet under not section, add a new snippet, just paste this and done. So I already create this folder, so I just cross in here and I go to this snippet folder under, and I am choosing here all code, remove this all code, and go to my document and click in here the Shopify all page data layer code, and click in here, and then we see this data layer code, and then copy this code, full code, and then go to your Shopify store again and paste this code in here. So just save it, and now we have to go over my document and then copy this code and paste this code in our Shopify thin.liquid file Google Tag Manager code below. So this is our Google Tag Manager code, and we paste this code. Actually, we call this thin.liquid file in Google Tag Manager code in here under. So just save it, and then now now we just go to my document again and click in here the checkout with pixel, and also go to also click in here extend here, and then so now go to my docs again, check out check out web pixel, and then select in here all code, and just copy this code, go to Shopify and click in here settings. And now we enable this data layer actually the new way. So just go to the custom pixel under, and we not, I mean, buy any put any plugin, enable this data layer lifetime free. And yeah, just click in here add custom pixel, and like I write in here my name in there, the name is like new pixel, 2024 update date, and then paste in here. And now just paste in here the full code, and we have to replace in here the GTM code. So go to my go to my Google Tag Manager and copy this code, and go to our the Shopify store code under, and paste in here this code, and then save. And yeah, you see in here our pixel is saved properly. So now I have to click in here connect. So now our pixel is saved, and I have to click in here connect. I just click in here connect, and you see our pixel with our Shopify store is properly connected. So now I have to see our data layer is properly enabled or not. So it's very simple. I am go to my Google Tag Manager again, and then preview this. Click in here preview, and just a second, connect. And now our website with Google Tag Manager is preview mode is connecting. So yeah, connected properly. So now like I am clicking here this product, and you see in here, just a second, this is loading. You see in here the view item event is properly passed on our website. Also this is completely GA4 schema rules, I mean according to GA4 rules, GA4 schema and rules. So if I add to cart this product, like view cart, and also like checkout, and you see in here begin checkout, view card, add to cart, every, I mean every event is properly passed. Also you see this data layer, this is very, I mean properly the GA4 rules. So now our data layer enable is done. So now Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store is connected. Also we also enable the data layer. So now we see how to connect, I mean how to set up Google Analytics for all of this necessary event, like add to cart, purchase, I mean everything, all of this necessary event using Google Tag Manager. So this is very simple. So I go to my Google Analytics for property. So if you don't know how to create a property, so just go to my YouTube channel, and here I create a lot of video I mean about like Google Ads conversion tracking, complete Facebook pixel setup I show in here, and also Shopify website conversion tracking, Shopify website Google Analytics 4 setup, meta pixel setup complete into int I'll share in here, and also Facebook pixel manually setup. You see in here the full playlist, server side tracking, and other stuff. So if you want to learn more about web analytics and conversion tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, like, and Google Analytics for, just subscribe my channel and see my this video full playlist. So it's, so now I am go to my Google Analytics 4 and click in here at settings icon, and settings icon under, we see in here the data stream, click in here the data stream, and then just choose in here, click in here, and then copy this measurement ID. So this is our GA4 measurement ID. So I'm go to my Google Tag Manager and click in here tag, and then now tag under, I have to, just a second, I have to, just a second, this is loading. Click in here new, and new under the Google tag, and then paste in here my tag, Google tag, and then I'll also create a like constant variable, because I am couple of time using this. So just create a constant variable and GA4 ID. and then save it. So now I have to choose in here trigger. This trigger is all page, and then click in here like GA4, GA4. I have to I have to that is in my config tag, and then save it. It's very simple. And then so now we set up all of this tag for Google Analytics, like e-commerce, view item, add to cart, remove cart. I mean, others, all of this necessary event we set up for Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager. So it's simple. Go to tag and then new, and choose in here Google Analytics and choose in here GA4. We have to add in here our GA4 measurement ID, which is GA4 ID, and the event name we have to add in here the event, and then click in here more settings and click the checkbox, I mean send e-commerce data, and choose in here data layer. But the requirement is if you set up like all of this GA4 event in one Google Tag Manager GA4 tag, so the requirement is your Google Analytics data layer have according to Google Analytics for requirement. That's it. So I'm choosing your trigger and new trigger and the custom event. So I have to write in here like view item and also add to cart and others, all of this necessary event like view item. I am writing here view item and 5 sign and view source result, add to cart purchase, and also like checkout. Just a second, I am writing again, which is view item, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase. So and click in here use regular matching, and then write this event name like GA4 all event, all event, and then save. That's it. So now save Google underscore GA4 event, save it. So now we verify this. So just click in your preview and go to Google Tag Manager debug view and connect Google Tag Manager with our website. Click in here connect, and then Google Tag Manager preview mode with our website connecting. And just a second. Yep, our website with Google Tag Manager connected properly. Now if I click this product and add to cart, and we see in here the data layer according to GA4 rules. That's why our data properly sent. If you set up this way, I mean one tag under all of this, we have to, this requirement is the data layer according to Google Analytics for requirement. So that's it. So now so add to cart, checkout. If I go to Google Analytics and you see in here the view item event properly passed, also value, just a second, also currency, also the full item, and also the add to cart event passed, value, currency, everything properly, I mean also item, and also the checkout event you see in here, the value, checkout value, currency, item to item. If I go to checkout with, and you see in here also the value we are showing 82 dollar, and also the currency to item. Everything is perfect, right? So I'm like now like purchase this product, and I'm searching the area in there. Okay. Just a second. So yeah, I purchased this product, and if I go to the Google Tag Manager preview mode, you see in here purchase event, also use data layer, user data, email, phone number, each and everything. and also the e-commerce, shopping, shipping, tax, currency, coupon, everything in here, also the item. And if I go to the Google Analytics, and yeah, I see in here purchase event, the value, transaction ID, tax, shipping, and item, currency, discount, everything properly fast. So that is the way how do we set up GA4 browser side event. So my next video I will show how to we set up server side event. So that's it. Thank you.